When you suspect that the remote control isn't working correctly, the first thing to do is to make sure that all the buttons are in the right place. None of them are pushed in. What can happen is that the ones that you use frequently can actually be pushed right in, which means that it will be continuously operating, stopping any of the other buttons from working. So just give it a visual check to make sure that none of them are pushed in slightly on an angle. When you've done that, if you're confident that that isn't the problem, take the batteries out, and if you haven't got any spare batteries, what you can do is simply rotate them. Now if you rotate them, any bad connection will be resolved. What tends to happen is that you get certain oxidization on here, and that causes problems. So by spinning the batteries will sometimes give you a better connection. Now if you do replace the batteries, just make sure you put them around the right way. I've seen many times when I've gone out to repair TVs that people have put it in the other way around and they're still not sure why it won't work. So make sure the batteries are around the right way. The final thing to do is just to press all the buttons. And if you keep pressing all the buttons, the contacts can improve greatly. So try that, keep going up and down, just make sure that all the buttons work correctly. So I'm pressing all the buttons. Now the final thing to do, if that still doesn't resolve the problem, replace the batteries. That's the best way to make sure that you've checked out everything you possibly can before you then have to perhaps take it apart and try to resolve it that way. It is important to make sure it is the remote control that's not working. You can check most remote controls by using your smartphone, and you simply press one of the buttons, and as you can see on this one, you can just about see there's a light coming out, and that indicates this particular remote control is working okay. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.